You be tripping on the time we don't spend. I pull up and gotta slide once again. You signed up, said you ride to the end, yeah. But you don't wanna be alone. If it's something on your mind, let me in. Hey, no, I be hoping that the vibe never ends.
It is like 7 o'clock in the morning. My mom came in, she woke me up, so it's 7 o'clock in the morning. So everybody's getting ready. I threw on this Biden sweatshirt. I think it's really cute. This young Joe Biden, you guys. And then I got on these dark jeans with the sandals I wore from my previous video. If you guys haven't watched that yet, make sure you guys go watch that before you watch this one, so you know it makes sense and all that. But I'm low-key drained, you guys. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I'm tired, but I'm just gonna sleep my way all the way there, so it doesn't really matter. Today is day 1 of my vacation, and we're gonna do some stuff today, okay? Period. I think I got some stuff planned to do when I get there, so today's gonna be fun, okay? So we're just gonna see what today holds, and yeah, that's really all I gotta say. How do you feel? Tired? Me too. I didn't go to sleep till 4.
I got 30 minutes of sleep.
Alright, y'all, so we're gonna go pick up this car. Supposed to leave at 8 o'clock. What time is it? Ouch. I keep banging myself, bruh. It is 8:28. Gonna be a little late, but hey. All I know is I'm finna sleep in this car though. So we just got the car and now we're finna be on our way. It's only like a 6-hour trip, so we're gonna be on our way right now. So I'm gonna talk to you guys when I get there.
Dad, did you grab my Bluetooth thing?
So y'all, we made it. We made it. We're here. We're in Tampa, Florida right now. We're at my cousin's. Alright, y'all, so we're finna go to Walmart. I do need to go grab a tripod for tomorrow's events because your girl broke her tripod and I'm not trying to be here without a freaking tripod. So we finna go run to my Walmart real quick. What are you getting at Walmart, Kaylin? Hello? Oh, she's getting a razor. But y'all know, when I go to Walmart, I see one thing, go to the next aisle, get another thing. So we gonna see what I get. I better not spend no freaking $40 in freaking Walmart though. Oh god. Alright. Not the last one. I've seen a lot of people have these, so I'm gonna get this. It's tempting. Yeah, I look, you wanna get some AirPods. I'm gonna get it. Excuse me, can I get these?
Yes.
We're here with the vlog,
Period.
birthday vlog. And this is the birthday girl right here.
This is Ari. This is Bree. This is Diamond. We doing the hair
right now.
Yeah. So, what time is it? 11:56. Ooh, we got 4 minutes, y'all. 4 minutes. So y'all, we got a day scheduled for tomorrow. We got some activities planned, period. We taking a lot of pictures on the boat, so yeah, stay tuned for them pictures tomorrow.
Let me drive the boat.
Shut up.
Stay tuned for them pictures tomorrow. Right now, me and Diamond, they doing our hair. I don't know what they're doing in there, but
I'm trying to make sure that the hot comb don't burn up her room. 10, 9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. We gotta get going. We have a boat ride at 11 in the morning, so I'm gonna try to get dressed. Oh man, y'all, we all dressed. We finna leave. Finna get in the car, go to the mall. Alright, so y'all know I got the bedazzled top. It's the same outfit from my last video. This is the first outfit I'm wearing. Bedazzled top, the white jeans, and then my sandals. I'm probably gonna take the jacket off to take some pictures, but yeah, other than that, you know, y'all know the vibes. But we finna get in the car. We're probably gonna go to the mall because the boat ride got canceled. Technically not canceled, but like it's pushed back into like 3 to 5, I think. Yeah, so we're gonna go then, but I just wanted to catch you guys up. It's currently 9:35. It's 9:35, so yeah, I just wanted to catch you guys up. Alright y'all, so we're finna be in the mall in like 2 seconds because we gotta get some stuff for her birthday dinner. So that's where we're at right now. I'm with Diamond. Yeah, so we're finna go meet the other girls in here. We're finna go get some outfits. I don't know what I'm gonna get. I don't know what I'm wearing for her birthday dinner either. So we gonna see, y'all. We gonna see. Oh my god. Hey y'all. Hey y'all. Yeah. Yo, I feel so we back. So we in Nike right now, looking at ourselves in the mirror. I'm just gonna hear it. Like all bad videos. Right. Period. Alright, what are we doing in Nike? Just looking. Okay.
That's a waste that you have.
Alright, y'all, so we just came out of Papaya and I bought 4 shirts, I believe. The 2 are similar to this one, and then I got a white one, and then I got like a black bralette thingy. Oh my god. Then I got like a black bralette thingy. They're really cute. I'm probably gonna show you guys everything that I get when we get back to the hotel or at home. But yeah. Alright, y'all, so as you can see, we're on the boat now. We're on the boat. We finna jet a boat, say no. But we're on the boat, we're waiting for Shabriz, and we're waiting for Ari and this Diamond. We ready to go, period. It's nice outside, y'all. Like, look at this.
Bro, I was dead. She sent the address, we turned around, y'all was gone. I said, bruh.
Yeah, I was like, I know she in a hurry. Alright, y'all, so we're in the hotel. We made it back like about 10 minutes ago. I'm gonna show you guys the room in a second, but I just want to show you guys this immaculate lighting in this bathroom. Look, like, yes ma'am. First of all, y'all, I look high. And I'm not even high. Yeah, but this is what the bathroom's looking like. Just peep how dirty the white jeans are now. That is nasty. I'm not gonna ever wear these ever again. It was good while they lasted, but I'll go to Walmart and get another pair for $5. So this is what the bathroom's looking like. You know, a little simple, cute. The lighting's immaculate. My makeup's gonna look A1 tonight. Yeah, so alright, so we have the front door. When you walk in, there's a full body mirror. Really cute. So you can look at yourself before you leave. Then there's the bathroom right here. All of our stuff is right here. 2 beds. Flat screen. A desk. And then we have a balcony. on the beach. Let me go outside. We are on the beach, so like we're probably gonna go to the beach later, and then we're probably gonna go to dinner later. I'll film myself getting ready because I'm probably gonna take off my makeup and redo my makeup again. I'll catch you guys a little bit later. Alright y'all, so we made it to the restaurant. Today's just been a mess, man. It's been fun, but it's been a mess, literally. Huh? Literally. All day, ripping and running, doing random stuff, bro. But I forgot to film me getting ready, and you guys don't even know what I look like right now, but this is a small little sneak peek of what I look like, I guess.
You just say you left your
I didn't get to steal it. I'm not stealing.
I'm sitting with Diamond and Kaylin. Wait. You're annoying. Yeah, y'all, we're finna eat. We're finna eat some good food.
And it's your birthday. It's your birthday. Birthday, bitch.
Break so deep. Heart broke so deep it broke into a melody like this. My heart is breaking. My heart is aching. Ay, ay. She's a runner, she's a track star. She gon' run away when it gets hard. She can't take the pain, she can't get scarred. She hurt anyone that gets involved. Don't wanna commit, why take it this far? She gon' do the race, just not this one. Love is a game you used to cheer for. When I was down to talk, you weren't here for.